If you've ever wondered how people seem to make money online so effortlessly, you're not alone. The truth is, making money online doesn't have to be complicated or stressful, especially in 2025. With new tools, platforms, and AI-driven opportunities, there are ways to earn that almost feel like cheating, but in a smart, legitimate way. Today, I want to show you the easiest ways to make money online that you probably haven't tried yet. These aren't your usual sell your old stuff or start a YouTube channel tips. We're diving into things that are fresh, simple, and actually effective. The first way is by creating AI-powered micro-products. Now, this might sound fancy, but it's actually really simple. AI tools today can help you create digital products like templates, planners, graphics, or even small software scripts that people will pay for. The key is to focus on things that solve a small but real problem for someone. For example, instead of creating a general to-do list template, you could make a content planner template specifically for TikTok creators. You design it once, upload it to a marketplace like Etsy, Gumroad, or Ko-fi, and boom, people buy it repeatedly. The amazing part is, after the initial setup, your product sells automatically, giving you passive income without continuous effort. You just tweak it occasionally or create a new version when trends change. Another way that's becoming insanely popular is AI-powered chatbots and automation services for small businesses. Many local shops, online stores, or service providers struggle to manage messages, emails, or customer queries efficiently. With tools like ChatGPT or other AI automation platforms, you can create chatbots that handle repetitive tasks, answer questions, or even help customers make purchases. Then you can sell these bots as a service. You don't need to be a tech genius. The AI does the heavy lifting. Your job is to set it up and show the business owner how it works. Imagine being able to set up a system that brings a store extra sales while you sip coffee at home. That's earning money while almost doing nothing. The third unique way is something that feels almost like time traveling into the future: micro-investing in AI-generated digital assets. Think of it as collecting pieces of online real estate like domain names, AI-generated art, or small NFTs that actually have a use case. For example, you can create AI-generated characters, avatars, or digital backgrounds and sell them to content creators, YouTubers, or streamers who need quick, high-quality visuals. The setup time is small, and platforms like OpenSea, Etsy, or specialized marketplaces make it easy for buyers to find your products. Once your asset is online, it keeps selling without you lifting a finger. The key here is picking niches with real demand, like unique 3D backgrounds for virtual meetings or AI avatars for gaming streamers. It's creative, it's simple, and it's surprisingly profitable. What's exciting about these methods is that you don't need years of experience or massive upfront investment. Most of these require a computer, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn a few new tools. Once you set it up, it's like planting a money tree. You water it once or twice, and it grows automatically. These are not get-rich overnight schemes. They're smart, realistic strategies that anyone can start, even while holding a regular job. Now, here's the best part. In 2025, these methods are exploding because AI and automation are making it easier for beginners to compete with experts. The playing field has leveled in ways we've never seen before. That means a person who's willing to put in a little creativity and consistency can start earning a meaningful income online without hours of grinding every day. And the more you experiment and iterate, the better your chances of scaling these methods into a full-time income stream. The next way to make money online in 2025 is by offering micro-consulting through AI-assisted advice. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not an expert in anything, but that's the beauty of it. You don't have to be a guru. With AI tools, you can research, create, and provide actionable advice for small businesses, creators, or even individuals looking for guidance in areas like marketing, social media, or productivity. For example, someone might need help improving their Instagram engagement. You can use AI to generate content calendars, caption ideas, hashtag strategies, and even performance reports. Then you package it into a simple report or session and charge for it. People pay for results, and with AI, you can deliver professional quality insights even if you're just starting. Another high potential method is creating automated niche subscription services. Think of a weekly newsletter, a collection of digital resources, or even curated AI-generated content that people pay a small monthly fee to access. For instance, you could create a subscription that delivers AI-generated meal plans for busy professionals, or weekly prompts for content creators, or even AI-generated short stories for kids. The key is to pick a niche audience that values convenience and quality. You set up the system once, automate the delivery with email tools or platforms like Substack, and start earning recurring income. In a world where people pay for convenience and curated content, this method can grow steadily over time. Finally, the third way I want to share is leveraging AI to create mini digital courses or workshops. In 2025, people are hungry to learn, but they don't always have time for long programs. You can create short, focused courses on very specific skills, like how to use AI for social media graphics, basic AI automation for online businesses, or even AI tools for productivity hacks. You can record these once, host them on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or even Gumroad, and sell them repeatedly. The AI can help you generate course content, quizzes, slide decks, and even marketing copy. Once it's set up, you've got a course that sells while you sleep. True passive income. The beauty of all these methods is that they rely on automation, AI, and smart systems, not your constant time and effort. Instead of trading hours for dollars, you're creating assets that earn continuously. And as you combine multiple methods like AI products, automation services, micro consulting, subscriptions, and mini courses, you're not just making money online, you're building a system that can eventually replace a traditional full-time income. Here's the punchline I want you to take away. The easiest way to make money online in 2025 isn't about luck, fancy skills, or working yourself to exhaustion. It's about leveraging the right tools, thinking creatively, and taking small, smart actions consistently. Start small, automate wherever possible, and focus on building assets, not just income. Over time, those small steps compound into a life where money works for you, even while you sleep. The opportunities are there waiting for anyone willing to take advantage of them. And the best part, you don't need permission, a huge budget, or years of experience, just your creativity, consistency, and willingness to try something new. That's the real secret to making money online in 2025.